Welcome back, everybody. Nate Action here. Take a little video here to show a couple little upgrades I've done to my 2017 Ram 1500 Express trim level. So if you have the Express trim level in this generation, you notice that the has the base radio, not touchscreen or anything like that. And then also, unlike some of the higher trim levels, the Express, and I assume probably the Tradesman and maybe even the Bighorn, you don't get the home style electrical outlet there. So what I did was I went online. I think I probably ended up going with eBay. I don't know, use eBay as opposed to Amazon for a lot, but you can probably find it about anywhere. I got a little dual USB plug right there. And then, seeing as how this is also my personally owned vehicle, my POV, for being a volunteer firefighter, and for knowing that I was going to put on accessories like this and then all my emergency lights, I have a fuse block that I run all of those items off of, and so I just ran the power for those to that as well. But you could, if you wanted to, you could run it to your ignition powered 12-volt socket, or there's a battery powered 12-volt socket over there. You could just splice into the power and ground from there and run your USBs off of that. So that was that. The whole front bezel here comes off fairly simply. If you know how to do that from other YouTube videos, there's plenty of them out there that show it for different reasons. But you take out the little rubber mat in here, 2 screws in here. You take off this little bezel here, and then the whole rest of this around the radio, the vents, the shifter, all the climate controls, that all pops out, just push clips, and then you unplug all your wires, and then you can work with that little area right there. And then the other accessory that I've put on there are the Ram mounts. So if you have a similar bezel on your similar age vehicle, that's right where those are. There's little bits of plastic in here, different structural molded shapes down in here. If you just get the similar mount base plate, then you can just see where mine are right there, and that's where it worked out. And then I have, these are Phillips head bolts, and there are small little washers, and then also lock nuts on the back side to hold those on. I just use stainless. Hopefully keep from ever having to worry about any rust or corrosion on those. And then it's just your kind of standard composite Ram base plate. So then you can use any of your Ram accessories on there. Got one for me and for a passenger, or I can turn that one over there and have GPS at one and phone at another, just whatever your needs are.